respected principal sister, teachers and all my dear friends. Hello, my name is Kritika Lalchandra Gopal from Standard 50. Today I am going to say a few words about today's auspicious occasion on Shiv Jayanti. Shiv Jayanti is celebrated every year on 19th February with great joy and enthusiasm. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was born on this day in 19 February, India 1630. He was a great and courageous king. He was a founder of Maratha Empire in India. For nearly 300 years, the Mughal kings ruled over Maharashtra. These foreign rulers exploited and tortured people. Women's and children's homes and lands were not safe. People felt helpless under the rule of these rulers. He was known for his bravery and tactics, with which he won numerous wars against the Mughals. At this time, parents of Shivaji Maharaj, Shahaji Raja Bhosle and Jizabai Bhosle saw a dream of freedom, and their child made their dream come true. Shivaji Maharaj won the Tona fort at the young age of 16. Thereafter, he won many more forts one by one. The coronation ceremony of Shivaji Maharaj was performed on 6th June 1674 at Raigad Fort. Afzal Khan is a physical, powerful and unbeatable Sardar of Bijapur. He could bend a crowbar with his bare hands, but Shivaji Maharaj killed him by trick. Shivaji Maharaj cut off 3 fingers of Shahista Khan and teach him a lesson. Shivaji Maharaj was arrested by Aurangzeb at Agra in 1666. Shivaji Maharaj escaped with great skills and daring himself, his son Sambhaji Maharaj and his army. All his enemy Aurangzeb, Adil Shah, Nizam Shah, Qutub Shah was trembled with fear when they taken the name of Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj protected his people. He was brave, determined and idle king. He was supporter of Hinduism, but he respected other religions too. The history is incomplete without the history of Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj has been a source of inspiration. He was the wisdom of a strategist man. He was truthful and kind. If he would have lived a few more years, then our nation would have seen more prosperously. With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you.